Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I have another idea for this coming 4th of July. Remember that if you watch this video from other country and you don't celebrate this date, well, you can make it for other celebration, for any party and for any holiday that you have in mind. For this coming 4th of July, I have this idea, these buntings that will simulate the colors of the American flag. So I will use red, white, blue and red. I will make this combination, and here during this video I will give you all my secrets and tips, and I hope that at the end you subscribe to my channel. Remember that it's completely free. But well, let's don't lose more time and let's start. Well, for these buntings we are going to use 3 different colors. I will use this material that is between fine and light material, and I will use the hook of number 3.5 millimeters and also an embroidery needle, and the best part is that we are going to use just 50 grams of each material approximately, so you can use all the colors that you have left and gather from previous videos. So with one thread and with our hook we are going to start making some chains. In this case I will start from the top to the bottom, and we are going to make first 5 chains, and then we are going to slip one to close in circle. Remember, as I was telling you, I'm making this for 4th of July, but you can make it with the colors that you want to decorate any party that you may have in mind or any other holiday that you want to celebrate in your country. So well, at the end of these 5 chains we are going to slip one to close, and we are going to close in circle like this. Then we are going to go up with 3 chains, and inside of the ring we are going to start making double crochet. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and well, here as you could see, we'll turn over, we take the first 2 and the last 2, and like this is how we are going to continue. And inside these rings we are going to make 12 double crochet, all of them right here inside. And remember that here you are going to start with the color that you want. Okay, so I will follow this combination. So here we have 11 and then 12. Now we are going to cut this red color, and now the next color that I will use is white. So I will use one thread and I will make a knot right here to start with the next row. So let me show you. And well, we are going to start the row in the same place where we started the last one, to always have these rows facing to the right side. So it's very important. So right here we are going to put this thread, and now we are going to start with the next row. While we crochet this row, we are going to hide these threads that we have here. Okay, so we will go up with 3 chains, and now we are going to make the reef stitch. It means that we will only take the back part of the chain and we will leave this thread here in front to make a pleat. You will see how beautiful it looks. So we are going to continue making double crochet, but only taking the back part of the chain. So here we are going to make 2 together, then in the next one we are going to make 1. And well, here as you could see we are making these pleats in front, and we are going to alternate. Once we are going to make 2 double crochet together, and once we are going to make 1 double crochet in 1 space. So like this is how we are going to continue: 1 double, 1 single, 1 double. Now we are going to make 1 single. As you could see, while we make this row we are going to crochet over the last row, so while we make this we can hide it. Okay, remember that it's very important that we hide our threads and later we cut the rest and burn the tips at the end in the wrong side. Okay, so like this we are going to continue, and if you feel that you are starting to have the spoon effect, we'll increase, instead of making one double, we'll make in one 3 double crochet and increase more stitches. Okay, we want to avoid the spoon effect. At the end you must have something like this. Also remember to relax and to lose a little bit while you crochet. And well, remember that a way to hide it, it's like I have just taught you. While you crochet, you hide and you crochet over them to hide these threads, or with embroidery needle you can hide the threads that you have left there. Okay, so here we almost finished the row. I want to show you how we are going to continue with the next row. At the end we are going to continue with this white color. So we are almost here at the end. Remember that we are going to continue alternating. In one stitch we are going to make a double, and in the next stitch we are going to make single. So this is how we continue. So we have something like this. Now we are going to continue with the same color. So we are going to turn around and continue with this white thread. We will go up with 3 chains. We are going to make the first one double, then in the next one we are going to make 2 stitches with 2 double crochet in each stitch. You see, so here we have 2 doubles and then 1 single. Again, 2 doubles, I mean 1 stitch with 2 double crochet, and the next one with 2 double crochet together again. So 2 doubles and 1 single. And like this is how we are going to continue all around and the whole row. 2 stitches with 2 double crochet and 1 single. And well, here we finished the row. Okay, so we will have something like this. I want to show you a quick trick. If you haven't watched my videos, you know that I always suggest and I always invite you to make this. So for example, here we finish and we will cut this thread. I will change color, so that's why I will cut this thread, because I won't need it anymore. So I will hide this thread a little bit through all the project. What I want is that, for example, I want to show you that if you have these threads here, that you hide the embroidery needle through all the threads like this. Okay, so it can perfectly hide, and like this you will make sure that this one undo. So we are going to insert this thread into the needle, and now we are going to bring all of them together. I suggest that you make this facing to the wrong side. At the end also we are going to hide this red thread too, and we are going to cut. We are ready to cut right now, and we are going to burn the tips with the lighter. All of this facing to the wrong side, right there. At the end, don't worry if you hide this black spot, because it will be facing to the wrong side. And we are going to repeat and make the same with this red thread too, with the embroidery needle, or with the hook in case you don't have one. So now we are going to change color, and well, here where we started all the rows also in the same side, we are going to start with this new thread, with this blue color. We are going to start making these coming rows using this color. So right here we are going to make a knot. Remember that while we make this, we can hide this thread and crochet over the thread that we used to start. So we will go up with 3 chains and we will continue making the same. We are going to make 2 stitches with 2 double crochet each. You will see also, if you are having and you feel that you make this spoon effect, will increase more stitches. We are going to only take the back part of the chain to make this pleat in front that will make this effect. So like this we are going to continue two doubles, one single. And well, here at the end we will have something like this. As you could see, we create a beautiful pleat in front by just making this, taking but the back part of the chain. Well, at the end we are going to make a knot right there, and now again we are going to start where we have started all the last rows. So right there we are going to start with this last row. We are going to insert our hook right here at the beginning, and with this red thread we are going to make a knot. Look how beautiful it looks with this pleat in front. So we are going to make a knot here in front, and now we are going to change the stitch. So we will take this stitch, we will skip 1, 2, and 3. We will insert the hook right here in this space, and we are going to make the first double crochet, then the second, then we have 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. We will make a picot right here, then we are going to make 1 double crochet, then 2 and 3. We are going to skip 1 and 2, and in the third space we are going to make a single crochet. Again, yarn over, skip 2, and in the third insert your hook, and right there make 3 double crochet and 3, then go up with 2 chains and make the picot. And for example, please take how many stitches you are going to skip to have the same number in one side and in the other. I mean, how many spaces do you skip to have one shell? Okay, so you are going to give each shell their space, and you must have the same number in one side and in the other. So well, here at the end we finished to make 7 shells with 1 picot each one. Okay, like this we are going to continue making more bundings like this one. At the end we are going to cut these threads and we are going to hide it with an embroidery needle. Now I will show you how we are going to make this strip of chains and how we are going to place them through this cord. So with the white thread and with the hook we are going to start making some chains. Well, look, this cord will be a bit different. First we are going to make a long strip of chains. And we have to make sure that this strip have a space for you to hang and to make a knot if you want. So for example, here I will make approximately 20 chains. This is just a sample, but you can make more. And then to make sure that these banners will stay there, we will make a single crochet in each space like this. Okay, and with this we will make sure that these buntings will stay in their place. So this is a secret that I want to share with all of you. You will see how beautiful they will look, and with this you will control the distance that you want to leave between buntings. Okay, if you want to make this, remember that before you have to make more buntings, as many as you want according to your decoration. Once you have them ready, well, now you are ready to place them where you want. Well, here for example, I finished to make this single crochet, so I want to leave between buntings approximately 20 chains. So like this you will make sure that between buntings you leave the same distance, and then here I'm going to place the next bunting. So this means that we have to have the buntings ready and then we are going to join them. For example, in this case I already get ahead. I made more and I made 10-15 chains between, and then I put the next bunting. okay? I put 10 chains, sorry, between them, and like this you are going to create a long strips of buntings with the number that you want, and with this you will have your decoration ready. I suggest that before you join them you iron them a little bit and then you can join them, okay? But well, I hope that you all enjoy making these decorations with me. Remember that in this occasion we are making it for the 4th of July. I know that many of my dear subscribers are from the US, and I know that this decoration will be very useful for this coming celebration, that I know that you make amazing things and that you celebrate it everywhere. And if you watch this video from other country, well, remember that you can change the colors and you can make and use the colors for the celebration that you want. Okay, you can decorate the rooms of your kids, of their parties, you can decorate your door or for any other occasion, or also you can use the colors of your flag to celebrate any festive that you have in your country. But well, before you go, I want to invite all of you to subscribe. I have been reading the comments that you leave me in my videos, and I really appreciate that you take the time and that you give me all beautiful words. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye bye.